Hello guys, so Lightmap GI. Before we start baking the Lightmap, first this is my custom scene here. It is a GLTF file. So you click on the file and in the import tab, make sure you change the light baking into static Lightmap so that we can unwrap the mesh for the UV2 to prepare for the baking. So and then we re-import, and then we create a new inherited scene. So this is the scene, and I'm going to copy all of this into this scene here, and you need to make the meshes unique, all of it. And then save the scene. Now I'm going to add a light, directional light, and world environment node. So let's add a material to our meshes. Now then, before we bake, we need to go to the mesh up here and use unwrap UV for light map, and do it for all the meshes. And then the directional light here, we need to change the bake mode here to static because we are using light map. And then click on the light map here, and in the bake light map button up above here, you click it, and it say to select light map bake file, and just save, and it generate a light map. Now, well, I admit it's not very good looking. You see this, same here, not very good. You can see the global illumination here, and I'm still fiddle around with the settings to get the best result, but it's not that good. You can go to the global illumination here in the mesh and change the light map to 4 or maybe 8 to get better result. Now much better. See? So in the world environment node, the tone map is linear by default. So you can also change to another tone map. The ace is looking good, so but still. So this is it for this tutorial. But no, that's for maybe another video. If you hide the directional light, the light map is still here because we are obviously baking it. So without the light, this will look like because we already bake all the light information into the texture.